Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about FabFilter Pro-L 2. So before we move on, before I show you the plugins, let's take a look at the session. This is by a good friend of mine, Sinrock, a group called Black Rose. Now, I don't have the okay to play the whole entire session, but I'm going to play a little snippet for you guys. As soon as I clear it with them, we'll make a mixing video and I'll show you what I'm working with. So if we take a look at the mixer, I color coded everything, imported my template, got some VCAs, got my master, my mix bus. Basically, we're good to go. So the way I have everything routed, I have everything sending to a mix bus. So I have the input set to an aux called mix bus. Then the output is going to 1 and 2 plus my print track. So that's why you have that little plus. Got my mix bus, my master, and my print track. All right, so let's dive into the plugin. Now, it was really important that I showed you the session, how everything's routed. A lot of you guys always ask, so that's why I did that. All right, so over here we have Pro-L 2, a great, fantastic limiter. Now, when I put a limiter on the main bus, I don't necessarily use it to squash the hell out of the track. I just use it to control the peaks. But in this video, you know we're gonna push things, like I always do when I show you a new plugin. Now, let's take a look at some of the stuff that's here. So when you open the plugin for the first time, here's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna factory default the plugin. Now you have this advanced option here. You're gonna open that up. Right here, you have a couple of options. You have style, look ahead, attack, release. You have channel linking. And then over here in styles, you have transparent, punchy, dynamic, all around, aggressive, modern, bus, and safe. Now we're gonna go through all of those. But to start off, I'm gonna put it on aggressive. We have MIDI learn, true peak limiting. We have oversampling. We have dither. We also have out. We're gonna keep it all at its default setting. As you can see, it's set to 1.1. We're gonna keep that there. Over here, if you click this, you can open this menu, compact, small, medium, large. So if we click right here at minus 48 dB, it's gonna open all these other options. This is a limiter, plus it has a really high-end metering system. So if we click loudness, check this out. It's gonna open this meter. If we click here, you have momentarily, short-term, integrated. If we click right here, you're gonna have some other options. You could custom, or you can go through some of these presets, or you can set it to CD. So when we play back, we have to be around here. So we got some work to do. So you have a limiter, plus you also have this high resolution meter, which is fantastic. Okay, I factory default the plugin, and I'm gonna change modern to aggressive. The next thing we're gonna do, I wanna automatically set the plugin to compensate the levels. When I push this plugin, I don't want the signal to get super loud. I wanna hear exactly what's happening. So this has that capability, just like some compressors. What we're gonna do, we're gonna click right here on out, and we're gonna engage this 1.1, so you click it. It's automatically gonna adjust the level for you. So let's go ahead and start adjusting this gain. So as I'm pushing the plugin, you don't really hear the loudness. That's pretty good. And honestly, that's where that extra metering comes in. So I'm gonna go back to loudness. I'm gonna change this and put it on CD. I'm gonna grab the gain, bring it back down. Let's listen back. Okay, so now we're gonna disable the Unity gain button. So as you can see, things got pretty loud. So it's pretty neat to have this functionality here. Turn that on, and you're not gonna be fooling yourself. So another feature that we have here is the ability to actually hear the limiter doing its thing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click out, and we're gonna click this headphones. Check this out. As I said before, when I use limiters on the master bus, I really use them to control the peaks. Once in a while, if I need to be at a certain level, I'll use it. Sometimes the client will tell you I want it really, really loud, and you know what, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? But for the most part, I'm using a limiter to control those peaks. So that's FabFilter Pro-L 2. So if you haven't tried the plugin yet, go to the description, click the link, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, press that bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. This is Ray, and I'm out of here.